What's up, y'all? Ramen here from the mountains of Hunza Valley, northern part of Pakistan. Excuse, it is dark, evening time, 6:30, winters, -6 degrees right now, and I just got myself new gloves. I wanted to make this video. Shout out to DJI Action 6. Yes, please notice me and sponsor my future videos. Need your help and support, need some money for traveling, so I want to highlight you guys so you can notice me a little bit. I tell you one, good things and bad things about it. DJI, Chinese company, they make lovely cameras. I had Osmo Pocket 3 combo creator, and that got stolen. I was robbed in Philippines, and the thief took it, and I had a great time. However, the problem I had with the camera, can I come up? Can I come? Shukriya. The problem I had, wow, look at those chicken and pigeons. The problem I had was with the battery. It used to warm up as well because it's very compact. Love the gimbal part. You put it on one spot and then you move around real good. However, the battery life was short. You had to charge it multiple times. It would heat up and wasn't secured. Not waterproof. Can't take it underwater. I had to buy Hero GoPro for that. A Hero GoPro is terrible, but Osmo Pocket 3 was good. I had a great time with it. You put in the pocket on your move. But what I'm using right now, DJI Action 6, the latest one, it's the mother and a father of all the cameras. It's got a wide lens. Like I'm talking, you can literally see the background behind me, right? And look at the chicken. Right, so it goes underwater under 20 meters. It doesn't warm up. Battery life is good, and you get 3 batteries with it. The lens, the quality, the picture, everything is spectacular. 10 on 10. So far, one of my favorite, and it gives you, I'm talking to you from how far? This is 1.5 meters. So it has a gimbal. It works like a drone. Some of the places you can't use the drone, you need permission and all that, but this acts like a drone. Like it would literally take the footage. So I absolutely love the quality, and it goes underwater. It's rough, rugged. It's like Hero GoPro, but it's got DJI quality. So all in all, I would rate it 9.9 out of 10. Actually, let me give it 9 out of 10. Reason why, I don't like the zooming. It's got 1x and 2x the max. Like you could see this and this, you would never see this. So sometimes you want to zoom in to the photo, especially when you're trying a food and talking to the people and getting the reaction out of people. No, they need to work on the zooming. So I'll take that number back. I'll rate it 8.9. But yeah, 1.1 point. That's for zooming. I don't like when it's too far because I want to show you the reaction of people and the emotions you can't see. So if you want to see the chicken from close, I literally have to bring it. But other than that, it's 10 on 10. Great camera all in all. So shout out to DJI. I have been using your product, your cameras, your drones from 3 to 4 years now. It's time for you to notice me and support the brother. I'm trying to make a difference in community and society, helping people to connect, spreading a positive message, letting the world know that world is a safer place. And yeah, I mean, each one reach one. Love and a peace. Sponsor me, please. Love you all. Go get DJI Action 6.